So Bluetooth is evolving beyond what you would know as traditional use cases. Most people know Bluetooth for audio capabilities, maybe for data transfer for sports and fitness devices. But as the Bluetooth specification has continued to expand, it's been moving into new industries, new use cases, and new opportunities. And this is where I think the test equipment and testing needs to understand how the technology is going to be used in a variety of ways. For the most part, everything in terms of features and functionality for Bluetooth is actually optional in the specification. So when you're mixing and matching functionality, you need to have sophisticated test equipment that can adapt to those capabilities and test and ensure that you've got high quality products introduced into the market using the specification. Yeah, so time to market for Bluetooth and time to market for developers is extremely important. And one of the unique things about Bluetooth is that when we develop the specification, we also develop a test specification that goes along with that. So both are available at the time that the developer can build their product. Having relationships with companies like Ellisys that can deliver products and tools that are based on that test specification ultimately help speed the overall development of a product by having the specification, the test specification, and the tools all packaged together and ready and available as soon as the specification is released. And that helps speed the time to market for developers in the long run. Yeah, so interoperability testing is a very significant. Interoperability is a very significant part of the value that Bluetooth brings to the membership and to the products that are using the technology. We support interoperability testing in a couple of different ways. One is during specification development. There are interoperability events in which you have multiple manufacturers that are implementing the specification and are testing their products against each other to ensure that they work together and interop together with the specification. For products and for specifications that have already been released to market, we have what we call UPFs, or Unplug Fests. And Unplug Fests are opportunities for any company to come together and test their products against other products and augment their overall testing cycle for their product. And companies like Ellisys have been a long-term supporter of those efforts by providing the tools that are also necessary for those companies to test and develop their products. So having tools that are integrated into the development process is important for any developer delivering a product to market. And having those tools in sync with the specification process and specification development is even more important. No developer wants to be delayed from delivering a product to market because they're looking for or need or waiting for tools that are necessary to develop and test their product and ensure that it's going to be a high quality out into the market. Having Ellisys as part of the process of specification development and having Ellisys as a part of the development of those products allows developers to not only speed their time to market, but potentially to provide higher quality products in the market in the end run as well. So I actually worked with Ellisys when we needed to replace the below HCI product testing tools that were originally available from the Bluetooth SIG. And having Ellisys as a company that stepped in to develop and deliver those tools was very important to the Bluetooth Special Interest Group. Because having a company like Ellisys that is working with and is in partnership with other member companies, helps out the overall community deliver on their products and deliver on the promises that the Bluetooth specification and the technology can provide to the market.